Hey guys, a while back I did a quick poll on my Instagram to let my followers choose my next video. And you guys really wanted to see how to create a mood board for your photo shoots. So that's what today's video is all about. And since we just hit 1,000 subscribers, stay tuned to the end of the video for our first subscriber giveaway. Creating a mood board is a great way to map out the vision of a photo shoot before you pick up your camera. It can help you define elements of your shoot, like color palette, posing, and wardrobe. It can also get your creative juices flowing when you're running low on inspiration. These days, it's really easy to put together a mood board on your phone or computer, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Pinterest to create your own. When creating a mood board, you can either start with an idea you already have or build a board around a specific image and style. Chloe and I are planning a colorful, vintage-inspired shoot soon, so I'll create a mood board for that. When you start a new board, Pinterest will try to make some suggestions for images based on the title. Add any that are relevant. At the search bar, think of words you'd associate with your shoot and use trial and error to see what works. Once you find a photo you like, add it to the board. When you've added a few images, check out the More Ideas section on your board to see if Pinterest has any useful suggestions. Next, go back to your board. Select any images you particularly like and scroll down to see similar images. Add any that are relevant to your shoot. Continue the process of adding images and then checking similar images to the ones you added. Once you feel like you've gotten as much as you want out of that type of photo, continue your search with a new search term. Don't limit yourself to photography either. Think of props, movies, colors, or emotions that you'd associate with your shoot. You should already have a pretty great mood board going, but you can take it a step further by organizing your images. For a shoot like this, I like to separate photos as references for poses and references for colors, but you could even categorize by style or framing. It's really up to you. With that, you should have a rich mood board to help you shape and direct your next photo shoot. Here's a mood board I made for my Faceless Portraits video a while back, and another I made to practice still life photography at home. If you download the Pinterest app or save the images to your phone, you can have your mood board on the go with you when you're shooting. Thanks for watching, and thank you guys so much for supporting this channel and getting us to 1,000 subscribers. To celebrate, I'm giving away a $50 gift card to Adorama. This isn't sponsored or anything, I just buy a lot of my camera gear from there. So to enter, check out the link in the description box below. The giveaway ends in 2 weeks, and it's super simple to enter, so don't miss out. Thanks again, hit that like button if you haven't already, and turn on that notification bell. I will see you guys in the next one.